shit! Oh shit!
Claim it's gonna be a tornado.
Severe weather across the Mid-South wreaked havoc Thursday, spawning severe storms and tornadoes. Obion County has confirmed one weather-related death in the area, according to the Tennessee Emergency Management Agency. At least 5 people have been confirmed dead as of Thursday morning in 4 counties in West Tennessee. Tornado damage has been confirmed in western Senatobia, Mississippi, in Tate County, Lake City, Arkansas, and Selmer, Tennessee. Several videos circulating on social media show tornadoes hitting several areas of the Mid-South on Thursday.
Ain't gonna be nothing.
What's that? Is that what?
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Ain't gonna be nothing. Just a little bit of wind.
The National Weather Service in Memphis predicts the severe weather will continue for the next few days. Authorities are urging the public to remain vigilant and use caution when doing outdoor activities due to the severe weather conditions currently affecting the region. The National Weather Service also said Thursday that severe storms have devastated cities, towns, and counties across the Mid-South.
Hey, so what's that? Is that what?
Holy.
Ain't gonna be nothing. Just a little bit of wind.
Yeah, it's going right toward, that's be a path to Walnax, ain't it?